In this video, we're going over cross simplifying. My learning target is I can simplify two factors using cross simplifications. So when we are cross simplifying, we are looking at the numbers diagonally from each other and divide them both by their greatest common factor. That's the biggest number they both can be divided by. So in these notes, we are just going to cross simplify and then rewrite the expression. So if I look here, what is the biggest number I can divide 9 and 18 by? That would be divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 18 divided by 9 is 2. If I look at 8 and 24, the biggest number I can divide them both by is 8. Sorry, I just made a mistake here. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So I have 1 over 1 times 2/3. 1 over 1 simplifies to 1. So this is 1 and 2/3. 1 times 2/3. All right, let's do some practice problems together. If you want to pause it and then check with me, this would be a great time to pause it. 14 and 7 we can divide those both by 7. 6 and 9, we can divide those both by 3. This becomes 1 times 1/3. 15 and 25, we can divide those both by 5. 12 and 18, we can divide those both by 6. So I have 2/3 times 5/3. I look at 21 and 7, I can divide those both by 7. 16 and 24, I can divide those both by 8. This is 2/3 times 1/3. 20 and 15, I can divide these both by 5. 9 and 27, I can divide them both by 9. This becomes 1/4 times 1. We can divide these both by 14. And 18 and 45, we can divide them both by 9. There's 1 times 1/5. 35 and 21, we can divide these both by 7. 10 and 16, we can divide those both by 2. 32 and 16, we can divide these both by 16. And 24 and 27, we can divide those both by 3. And 8 over 2 simplifies to 4, so this is 4 times 1/9. I can divide 15 and 55 by 5, and 22 and 66 by 11. Actually, I can divide them both by 22. So this becomes 111 times 3 over 3, which is 1/11 times 1. And I just realized that my numbering is off. It says that all questions are number 2, so I will go back and fix that.